Atte joins us now. Good to have you with us.
Oh, thank you, Mike. It's my pleasure.
So nice to be in person again finally, isn't it?
Oh, tell me about it.
So tell me about your objectives here with use case demos like this for 5G-ACIA.
Well, 5G-ACIA is the organization that brings together the ICT and OT industries. And we really have to listen to the needs of the OT guys. So that's the primary purpose. So whatever we do really has to serve their needs.
Not only does it have to serve their needs, but we have to prove that it serves their needs, and this does that job.
Oh, exactly. So seeing is believing.
So with that in mind, these test bed activities, it's designed to provide confidence in the capabilities of 5G?
That's correct. So with these test beds, we can really show them what 5G is capable of doing. And yeah, again, seeing it is believing, so it's very important.
Where are we in the adoption of 5G?
So currently, what we see is the let me say, enhanced mobile broadband use cases still, so mobile phones and tablets, but we're expecting soon to see the spearhead use cases like the URLLC and TSN become available in the products.
Particularly as 3GPP standards advance to the next releases.
Right, and some of these features are already quite advanced in the standards, so it's really about the products and the pull from the market to take them into use.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
We are live in Germany at Hannover Messe 2022. I'm Michael Hainsworth.